Welcome to the HumanSpark.io series. This should have been automated already. In episode 1, we explore persona development, aka, the world does not need another persona workshop. Because if customers are already telling us exactly what they care about every day, why are we still building personas like it's a college group project? And honestly, the workflow is giving group project with one person doing all the work vibes. Why does persona development still take weeks when most companies already have the data? Every time I see a team building personas in a spreadsheet from scratch in 2026, a tiny part of me dies inside. Because here is what usually happens. You have customer calls sitting in Gong, CRM notes in Salesforce, support tickets in Zendesk, product usage data somewhere else entirely, probably 3 random Slack threads full of incredible customer insight that nobody can ever find again. Then somebody says, we should revisit our personas, which usually means 12 meetings, 2 workshops, 1 Miro board nobody opens again, and eventually a slide deck with stock photos of smiling business people named things like Operations Olivia. We laugh, but we have all seen it. The problem is not that teams are lazy. The problem is not that teams are not smart enough. The problem is the workflow itself. All the intelligence already exists across the business. The issue is that none of it is connected, structured, or continuously synthesized. So personas become static artifacts instead of living operational intelligence. Sales does not trust them because they do not sound like real buyers. Marketing outgrows them almost immediately. Customer success is sitting on completely different insights that never make it back into the system. Meanwhile, customers are literally telling companies exactly what they care about every single day through calls, tickets, surveys, onboarding conversations, and support interactions. We just built organizations where none of those signals naturally connect. Here is what the modern workflow looks like. You create a centralized intelligence layer that pulls structured and unstructured data from across the organization. Customer conversations, CRM activity, support tickets, win-loss analysis, product telemetry, survey responses. Then AI continuously analyzes patterns across all of it, not just summaries, pattern recognition. It identifies recurring pain points, buying triggers, emotional language, stalled deal patterns, adoption barriers, expansion signals, and role-specific priorities. And this is where it gets interesting. You stop asking, what do we think our buyers care about? Because now you can actually see it, at scale, in real time. Instead of creating personas once a year, during some painful initiative everybody secretly dreads, the system evolves continuously based on real customer behavior and real conversations happening every day. And the important part is this: the output is operationalized. Your messaging uses it. Your sales enablement uses it. Your campaign strategy uses it. Your onboarding workflows use it. The insight layer becomes connected to execution instead of living in a forgotten folder called Final Persona Deck _V7_revised. What changes is not just speed, it is organizational alignment. Marketing starts speaking the same language customers use. Sales understands patterns instead of anecdotes. Customer success sees early indicators before accounts become risks. And leadership gains visibility into what customers are consistently telling the business instead of relying on whoever had the strongest opinion in the meeting. This is what AI should actually be doing. Not generating more content for the sake of content. Helping organizations connect intelligence across the business so better decisions happen naturally. Because honestly, this should have been automated already. And if you want to learn how to build systems like this inside your organization, give me a call. That is exactly what we do at HumanSpark.io.